we'll guide you through how to make countdown text in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and type CapCut into the search box. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for the program to finish loading before you continue. Open an existing project or create a new one if you are starting from scratch. Import your video if it is not already included in the project, then drag the video onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want the countdown to begin, making sure the timing matches your video. Click the Text tab from the toolbar to access the available text tools. Select Add Text and type the first countdown number that you want to display. Adjust the font, size, color, and position of the text until it matches the style of your project and is easy to read. Set the duration of the text layer so it remains on the screen for the amount of time you want before changing to the next number. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+C followed by Ctrl+V, or hold the Alt key while dragging the text layer to create a copy. Change the duplicated text to the next number in the countdown and place it immediately after the first text layer on the timeline. Repeat the duplication process for the remaining countdown numbers until the full sequence has been created. Align all of the text layers carefully so each number appears one after another without overlapping or leaving unwanted gaps between them. Play the timeline from the beginning to preview the countdown animation and confirm that each number changes at the correct moment. Continue previewing the animation after every adjustment until you are satisfied with the overall result. Once the countdown plays smoothly and looks exactly the way you want, save your project to preserve the completed countdown.